welcome back. September the 2nd here at BRS, and this is a continuation. Now it's going to be part 5 of the Dayton saw, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see all right, but this is the table, and there is the upright vertical, or the main arm. But we took a lot of time to grind down all the castings before we primed it. 2 coats of urethane nice, really good, heavy built up Rust-Oleum primer, painted, and yeah, everything really cleaned up nice. Yes, this is not John Deere green, it's forest green. I had John Deere green, it was a little light. But we're going to go in there and show you some more colors. And you can see that we took time, hopefully, to go around every stinking bevel, every casting that had a burr. And we removed them before we primed this morning. Heavy primed. And then this is in all oil-based paint. Rattle can, yes. Now, this is a 2x4. You don't pay attention to this. This is 2x4 bracing it up so we don't have any drips. I like this forest green. Reminds me of the California evergreens, some of them trees. And we're going to get a little pincher here if I don't trip. We'll get back in the shop. Been a busy day, guys. I've not got time to get onto the legs yet. Got a little bit of sheet metal work we talked about the other day to straighten out some things. Then I'm going to be cutting off those lugs down there on the feet, adding 2 now. Instead of casters, I'm going to add 2 hard rubber wheels and casters on the other end, maybe, but I wanted to sit down. Got the parts hanging over there all in primer. They go to the motor, the guard, and those are going to end up, some of those are going to be end up with the safety yellow. Here's our 3 choices of colors. So we're going to have this multi-colors. Some of the oil safety items, not yet decided on the guard because it didn't come with a guard. And if we get a guard, let me turn around here and sit down real quick before I fall down. It is hotter than a firecracker out here still for the 2nd of September. But got all the painting getting wrapped up a little bit today. And so part 6 will end up being more on assembly. And y'all, please keep up with the video. And hopefully soon we will have that Dayton motor on there first. If I don't like it with the 3 pulleys, then I will go to a treadmill motor, potentiometer, power supply, and then control the blade speed with it. Definitely is going to have a coolant system put on it. All right, this is going to be part 5 today, and it is so hot out here. I'm ready to get out of here and go get a shower. We're out of here.